prepare for their performances across the Midwest. After 2 weeks of training at Sun Prairie High School, they hit the road and performed in 10 field shows and 5 parades. Their competitive season included performances at the National Cherry Festival in Traverse City, Michigan, where they were a crowd favorite and awarded the Cherry Royale Parade 2013 championship. The competitive season concluded with the MACBDA Finals at UW-Whitewater on July 13th, where the band was awarded the Best Music Effect. While the band has experienced competitive success, the primary focus of the Sound is helping students grow through belief in family, professionalism, leadership, passion, and compassion. In this spirit, the Sound dedicated one evening to running a multi-location car wash in Sun Prairie on July 9th and raised over $1,600 for Sunshine Place. Tonight they'll be performing portions of their field show and parade. For the first part of their performance, they'll play excerpts from the 2013 production, When Night Breaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Sound of Sun Prairie to Ashley Field. will perform their crowd favorite, Build Me Up Buttercup by the Foundation. Please put your hands together. Feel free to join in. Sun Prairie for tonight's performance. For more information on the Sun Prairie and any of the bands in Sun Prairie, please visit spdd.org or sunprairiemusic.com. The Sound is a component of comprehensive band program in Sun Prairie, which has over 750 students in grades 6 through 12. The basis of the band program is concert band. The high school wind ensemble has been invited to perform at festivals and conventions throughout the U.S. Sun Prairie's Jazz One has been selected to perform at the Essentially Ellenson Festival in New York City 8 times and presented a jazz clinic with Winston Marsalis at the Midwest International Band and Orchestra Clinic. This summer, the Sound of Sun Prairie celebrates 40 years of serving youth through music. The band has been awarded many honors over the years, including a World Association Show Marching Bands World Championship, an 11 Mid-American Competition Band Directors Association Open Class Championship. Students and staff would like to thank the band boosters, administration, and community for their support.